और हमारे टेक्निकल कैंपस के पास हुए प्यारे विद्यार्थीगण, मैं अपने एजुकेशन सोसाइटी की तरफ से इस ऑनलाइन एल्यूमिनी मीट की सफलता हेतु आप सबों को हार्दिक बधाई देता हूं। आप सभी अपने कौशल, परिश्रम तथा गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी की कृपा से देश व समाज की सेवा करें और अपने शिक्षकों व कॉलेज का नाम रोशन करते रहें, यही हमारी शुभकामना है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Pankaj sir. My cordial request is to the Honorable Secretary sir. Sir, kindly address our alumni.
Yes, good morning to one and all. And
Good morning, sir.
yes, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. So, you are now scattered all over the world and still a part of Guru Gobind Singh Educational Society. We feel proud from our organization and society, your availability and your holding a high chair and occupying good reputation. My best wishes and blessings are always with you. Alumni meets are organized to celebrate the refresh old relationships and form new ones. It is an occasion when students gather at their alma mater and walk down the memory lane. They come forward to know each other better and forge new relationships. It is a thrilling experience to revisit your alma mater and interact with new students, teachers, and hosts, and update them with your progress in life and career. It gives me immense pleasure to address you all on the auspicious occasion of Guru Gobind Singh Engineering and Medical Engineering and Administration MBA College and our technical campus. First online alumni meet. A decade ago, our college was an expanding and developing organization. However, if we talk about today, our graduates have widely spread throughout the country in search for career prospects, growth, and learning knowledge. Today, our college has become one of the best institutions of Jharkhand. It has all important prerequisites our success, such as an expensive campus and an environment conducive for all-round growth of students. Experienced faculty, dedicated students, necessary financial resources, training and placement performance. On behalf of Guru Gobind Singh Educational Society, Bokaro, I assure all of providing the necessary support of college, alumni cell. Finally, I would like to thank all of you for your keen participation as well as for the support you have always extended towards your alma mater. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Next speech is of our director, sir. But before going ahead, I would like to introduce our director, sir, to all of you. An alumnus of NIT Jalandhar, doctorate in textile technology, he is having more than 20 years of experience in the field of industry, teaching, research, and administration. He has also worked as principal in various colleges of Haryana, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Maharashtra. He did PhD thesis. He is also assigned as the PhD thesis examiner, BOS members, faculty selection committee member of various renowned university of India, such as MS University, Baroda, Punjab University, Chandigarh, Amravati University, Amravati. Author of more than 30 national and international publication book chapters. He is also the principal coordinator for 5 faculty development program and 1 national conference. He is also the coordinator of NAC accreditation process, Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, PMKYVY, and the list is long. So I request our Honorable Director, Sir, Dr. P. Jaruhar, Sir, to kindly come and address the alumni.
Good morning, everyone present over here. Honorable President, Guru Gobind Singh Education Society, Shri Tarsen Singh Ji. Honorable Secretary, Guru Gobind Singh Education Society, Shri Surendra Pal Singh Sir. Respected Dr. Vikas Ghoshal Sir, Dr. R.C. Rath Sir, Dr. Avinash Kumar, Dr. Ravikant, Head of Departments, faculty members, staff members, and finally, my dear alumni. This online meeting organized today is to show our thoughts and concerns towards give our alumni and share knowledge. This has been organized to celebrate, refresh old relationship and form new ones. It is an occasion when our students gather along with us to go down the memory lane and look forward for new interactions with new hosts. You can stay in touch with us through GGSESTC Facebook page and alumni WhatsApp group. The concept of alumni association involved to cater to the needs of both academicians and professors. It has the aim of building a bridge between college and its pass-out students. Our illustrious alumni can contribute in terms of lead for placement, internship, and consultancies. And in turn, the college can provide them short-term free executive cum management training programs with certifications, career growth, and placement support on behalf of Guru Gobind Singh Educational Society Technical Campus, Bokaro. I assure to extend full support and cooperation to the alumni cell. I also congratulate today's program's coordinator, Professor Pankaj Kumar Singh, Dean Student Affairs, Professor Shweta Kumari, the coordinator and anchor of today's program, Professor Apurva, Assistant Professor Chemistry Department, who has to present the presentation and coordinator, one of the coordinator of this program. And before ending my this speech, just I will share 3 Guru Mantra, because anyway, you are again in your college, so definitely it is our privilege and right that we must give you certain things. First Guru Mantra which I will give you for as a, you can take as a blessing also, my dear alumni. First is honesty. You have to perform your work very honestly where you are. Definitely you are going to be top of the organization. Number 2 is the sincerity, and number 3 is you have to always enhance your knowledge day by day. For these words, I once again thanks coordinators and management for giving support to this program. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Director, sir. So moving ahead, here I would like to request Pankaj Kumar Singh, Department of Mathematics and Head of our Alumni Cell, to address you all.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, sir.
It is wonderful to see you all again. I am delighted to welcome you and make you all a part of this platform. It is in itself a special welcome already as it is the first online meet of GGSESTC. The mission and vision of our college is already defined by our achievement and distribution to the society. We are really thankful to efforts of Dr. P. Jaruhar. As I am alumni head GGSESTC, assure all our distinct alumni that together we will make difference. Our support, your passion will bring a visible change to our society and with help our current students to get in, in indigestion. For rest of the details, I will hand over the chain in Professor Apurva, Assistant Professor, Department to discuss where details about GGSESTC alumni say.
Okay,
Thank
yes, Apurva ma'am, we request you to have the presentation. Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Hello.
Madam,
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
morning,
Yes.
all of you. Actually, my camera is not working properly, so I'll be joining you only with voice. And so I'll be giving you a brief presentation about the alumni cell. So let us start with the presentation. Am I audible clearly, Shweta ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Hmm.
So I welcome you all again in this informal meet. I know we were meant to meet in the college offline, but in this lockdown, the best resort is to meet online. I'll be sharing a brief presentation for the first alumni meet 2021. We all know that our college was established in the year 2011 and the first batch came out in the year 2014. The alumni cell was set up from the beginning, probably in a very nascent stage. It was highly needed to bring the alumni cell as one of the important organizational structure. With the vision of our management and especially Dr. P. Jaruhar sir, our current director, this program and alumni cell came into actual existence. Thank you, sir. So let us move with our slides. Actually, I will be giving you a brief presentation about what is the meaning of alumni cell, alumni association, and what has to be done to set up a proper alumni association. Okay, so first of all, I'll be talking about the genesis of alumni affairs. So the vision of the alumni is to develop a fully connected, strong GGSTSC community so that a strong network of alumni, our previous student and among our present student can be developed. The mission of the alumni cell is to foster advanced GGSTSC Institute of Science and Technology, promoting alumni relationship and interaction, fostering commitment among students, enabling alumni student interaction, and the objectives are to keep a roster of all alumni of college and their pertinent data, maintaining the updated and current information of all alumni, to encourage, foster, and promote close relationship among the alumni themselves, to promote a sustained sense of belonging to the alma mater among the alumni by being in regular contact with them. To provide and disseminate information regarding the alma mater, its graduate, faculties, and students to the alumni, to assist and support alumni cell in obtaining funds for development, to guide and assist alumni who have recently completed their course of study at GGSESTC, to keep them engaged in productive pursuit useful to the society. To provide a forum for alumni for exchange of ideas on academic, cultural, and social issue of the day by organizing and coordinating reunion activities of alumni. To let the alumni acknowledge their gratitude to their alma mater. So, actually, I'll be also discussing what should be the structure of the Alumni Association. So, I'll be introducing you to some of the bylaws of the Alumni Association. First of all, the Alumni Association should define a proper objective for the same. Alumni Association should offer membership scheme to generate proper funds for the future use. Alumni Association also selects some of the officers such as head, treasurers, and other committee members. A co-committee member should be developed for the smooth functioning of the alumni cell. This core committee should define the duties and the functions of the committee members. The treasurer should control proper flow of funds and regulate scholarships, fellowships, and other funds. For establishing the strong presence of alumni, Alumni Association should issue newsletters, organize events, and mark their presence socially. So I have made a slide depicting what is the mutual benefits of Alumni Association, students, and the institution. So first of all, alumni to alumni. I have jotted down some points in my slide. The first one is venture capital, networking, chapters, and business opportunity. This section is completely self-driven venture. Networking will help you build a close-knit relation to easily interact and convey the work among the alumni. Then you can invite alumni, venture and capital for other business opportunities. So moving to the next section, that is institute to alumni. What are the mutual benefits that institute and alumni will get? In this section, we are coming up with a lot of innovative ideas, and we also are inviting inputs from your side on how the institution can benefit alumni in ways will make this more meaningful. So we are planning to provide a section of awards for distinct alumni. We are also planning for 10 years and 25 years reunions. Through Campus Connect, as a part of institution, all are always invited to visit the campus and interact with the students and faculties anytime. Through the technology transfer, if we are innovating any technology for commercial or patent purpose, we will be giving first priority to our alumni. For remote tutoring, if anybody wants to any help in their studies, then a channel can be proposed and this list can be expanded. The second aspect is alumni to the current students. Alumni to students. We will like to have a lot of internship and projects offered by the alumni startups or their organization for our current students. Alumni are invited to the campus to give motivational talk and share their experiences at any time they like. Our alumni cell head is also planning remote career guidance meet for the benefit of our current students. A lot of students have diverted towards the startup ideas, so our alumni can help by funding their startup or with proper guidance.
You're not audible. But yes, we have gone through the
Am I
images that
audible now?
you yes, ma'am. We have gone through the
Sorry,
images.
actually my
Yes, ma'am,
computer today,
of the
laptop
functions.
is not working properly. I'm so sorry for this. So let
No
me
worries.
begin
Okay,
with
ma'am.
the slide again. Okay, so
Yes.
I would like you to introduce. Wait a second, I think I left out one section, that is alumni to institution. As our society, like previous year, is providing various institutional scholarship scheme, such as Super 40, which is a scholarship cum means test in which the students are benefited maximum up to 27,000 per year, and the maximum benefit for 4 years can be calculated up to 1.3 lakhs rupees. We also provide one-time percentage-based scholarship to meritorious students benefiting up to 44,000 for 1 year. We also propose institutional scholarship and upgradation of laboratories with a mutual effort of alumni and institution. An incubation center can also be proposed, which will develop the research base of the institution. We will be very soon declaring the list of alumni concession, including discounts for the sibling of alumni taking admission in GGSESTC. So let me introduce to our patrons, Sri Tarsen Singh Ji, our President, GGSES, Sri SP Singh Sir, Secretary, GGSES, our current Director, Dr. P. Jaruhar Sir, Director, GGSTC. And also, let me introduce the organizing committee for this alumni meet. Dr. A.P. Panwal, Associate Professor, HOD Basic Science and Humanity. Professor Rohi Prasad, Assistant Professor, HOD Mechanical. Professor Rashri Nayak, Assistant Professor, HOD Civil Engineering. Professor Bhaskara Anand, Assistant Professor, HOD CSE. Professor Gautam Kumar, Assistant Professor, HOD ECE. Professor Uttam Kumar, Assistant Professor, HOD EEE. Professor P.K. Singh, Dean of Student Affairs and Head Alumni Cell, Assistant Professor Basic Science and Humanity, Professor Mahavir Prasad, Assistant Professor MBA, myself Apurva, Coordinator Alumni Meet, Assistant Professor Basic Science and Humanity, our lovely anchor Professor Shweta Kumari, Assistant Professor Basic Science and Humanity, Professor Hussain Ansari, Assistant Professor CSE, Professor Nishant Kumar, Technical Support for this Alumni Meet, Assistant Professor CSE. So I have read some of the slides for you to relive your nostalgia, and we are dedicating a room for alumni as a part of Alumni Cell, and we are setting up a photo gallery titled Yade, in which we will be showcasing your memories right from the year 2011 till now. Even though you have achieved and moved ahead in life now, but still you look back and are a little sad to think those days are long gone. I'm sure that you all have made good memories, buddies, and these are really hard to forget. To relive this moment, all you have to do is to upload 1 or 2 photographs of you and your friends and batchmates at different locations of GGSESTC. We will be really treasuring this your precious memory. So as you can see, most of the students have like a organized cultural event, and even in training and placement, they're also excelling. So there, at the end of my slide, I'm also suggesting some of the points to the Alumni Association that will be formed in future and registered with Jharkhand government. So I'll suggest that all the alumni should keep visiting our website for the latest information. Alumni, kindly visit our YouTube channel and Facebook page and share and subscribe as much as possible. Mark our university at getmyuniversity.com. I also propose fortnight meeting for the core members, and it is suggested that if any student is in Bokaro, kindly visit our campus and relive your memories. And if any suggestion and queries, kindly send it to alumni@ggsestc.ac.in. And I also invite motivational talks from our alumni for our existing students. And as a part of survey, there is a link mentioned here. I'll also send it in the group so that you can more and more promote our college online also. Okay, with this, I'll end my slide. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Apurva ma'am, for showing the students their previous image and letting them feel nostalgic. And the presentation is actually, I think it's helpful for the students to get in more
And I am
connections with.
extremely sorry for the technical issue that I had currently with my laptop. I'm extremely sorry for that. Otherwise, it would have been more in a nicer way.
Okay. So thank you so much, ma'am, for your efforts. By having such and such problems, you have managed it all. So thank you so much. So finally, dear students, we have come to the open talk session for which we were waiting for a long time. So I request you all to kindly keep your videos on if possible and share your experience. And to start, I request Professor Rohi Prasad, HOD Mechanical Department, to start the talk, sir. Rohi, sir.
Hello.
Haan, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Sweta ma'am, for having me. Good morning to one and all present over here. Respected President, sir, the Secretary, sir, Director, sir, all, good morning. All faculty members, staff, and our beloved alumni. I am very much thankful to the Director, sir, for giving the opportunity to share my views in this first online alumni meet.
सर पुरानी चेहरे दिख रहे हैं ना सर
Actually, not being the HOD of the department and being the teacher, first I would like to share one thing that when I have joined in 2013, I have seen many of the students who have joined here. I have seen all of them. I have taken class of, I think, many of them. If I can remember, Abhishek, Suraj Tiwari, if I'm not wrong, you are the branch from EC, I think. Suraj Tiwari.
Yes, sir.
2013-17 batch, na? 13-17 batch, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes. It really makes us proud when we see all our alumni who are performing well, and they are also they have also graced this occasion with their presence. Abhishek Bhattacharya and many of the students, not only from the mechanical branch, I have always been privileged to teach many of the students from many of the branches, from EC, from civil. I think Sasi was there. I think Sasi Yadav. And many of the students, I am very much happy to see all of you again. Welcome, and all of your valuable suggestions are always welcome. Not only for the, but only one. I want to say only one thing. जैसे आप लोग कॉलेज को याद करते, कॉलेज के टीचर्स भी आज तक आप लोग के बारे में बात करते हैं.
ट्रू सर, ट्रू.
चाहे वो 2011-15 का बैच हो, चाहे वो 12-16 बैच हो. ऋचिक सिन्हा एंड ऋचिक ग्रुप ज्वाइन किया था, पता नहीं अभी. आनंद सिंह,
मैंने देखा था.
Anand Singh, I met him in the market of Dhanbad. He told us he is working as on the scientist post in the CMRI Dhanbad. It makes me feel very much proud, and I thought he is working there. In last, I only want to say that be in touch with us, and your valuable suggestions are always welcome. And I want to extend my best wishes for all of you and for your future. Stay safe and healthy. Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. So yes, we are really, what should I say, dear students, as you have joined today, you have joined us now, it's really giving us immense pleasure. It's the feeling of honor too, that you are placed somewhere and somehow you have managed your time. So thank you so much to all of you. So next, who would like to say? See, the platform is yours, so kindly utilize it as full as you can.
Can I say something, Shweta ma'am?
Of course, ma'am. Of course, ma'am.
Actually, I'm working here from the last 5 years, and I may not be knowing most of you because I was not there when you passed out, but I have heard a lot of names. Abhishek is one of them. Abhishek Bhattacharya, right? I have heard your name several times. Pankaj sir हमेशा नाम लेते हैं आपका, तो it's always like कि आप लोग चले भी जाते हो फिर भी टीचर्स आपको हमेशा याद करते हैं. And it will be very nice of you all, whenever you come, please visit the campus.
अभी अजय भी जुड़ा हुआ है फर्स्ट बैच से 2011-15 अजय कुमार
Yeah, hi,
Ajay,
roll
Rohit.
Ajay.
roll number 1 2011-15 roll number 1 mechanical branch.
Don't tell me, sir. I've suffered this a lot. I mean, I used to always sit at the front, so I had no
Fun,
ways, no
yes.
chance of taking cheats,
And Ajay, you know,
taking
friend,
chits, or
3 people,
even
na? Friend of
even look
3.
back. Yeah, it's very
Satyam
tough.
Sasi,
But Ajay,
Satyam
that
Sasi
is
और
a
अजय.
benefit.
Yes,
Ajay,
yes.
that is a benefit. Whatever you wrote on your own. So don't worry, chill.
Yeah, I think I did so. So happy to know that. Happy to realize that today. Otherwise, I was in a
Yes.
false bag that I was under a lot of pressure that everyone has chits and everyone can turn around left and right, but I couldn't.
You have earned it, Ajay.
Yeah, thank you so much. Great to know all of you here. Great to see Rohit sir, Shweta ma'am, and few of 2K12 batch. Great to see all of you here. I don't know if 2K11 batch is here. I think a few of my friends are here. I mean, we have been coordinating with each other, especially here, all of you.
So if
Happy to see you. Yeah,
okay, so if anybody else from Ajay's batch, from first batch,
I think Shashi would be here, I guess.
Shashi, are you here? Where are you, Shashi? Come on.
Hello.
Shashi Gupta.
Shashi Gupta, yes.
Shashi is enjoying Shimla. Rohit sir, Shashi is enjoying Shimla. Let me tell you, he's at the best place.
Very thank you to
Oh,
all
Shashi?
to give us the platform at least कि हम लोग पुराने mentors को देखते हैं.
हाँ.
रोहित सरवाजार प्रोजेक्ट हेड हम लोग को याद है कि अभी लास्ट दिन तक हम लोग डील कर रहे थे कि कैसे मैनेज की जाए. एंड अच्छी है सर, अभी सिचुएशन काफी अच्छी है. आई होप कि आप लोग भी ऐसे कोविड के टाइम पे काफी सेफ हो, अच्छे जगह पे हो. एंड कॉलेज की काफी सारी
I want to say one thing about Shashi Gupta. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shashi Gupta, I want to say one thing about Shashi Gupta. आज तक उसका नाम हर क्लास में लेते हैं हम. 8 साल हो गया कॉलेज में.
Sir, maybe know the reason. Rohit sir.
रोहित सर, आवाज नहीं आ रही है. हेलो रोहित सर.
ऑफ इंडिया के जॉब में
I think he got
और
disconnected.
अपना ज्वाइनिंग लेटर भी हमको भेजा था वो.
हाँ.
So this is the
वो चाहे वो एक
खुशी
नंबर भी
हमें
रहते
मिलती
थे.
है जब आप ज्वाइनिंग
एक्चुअली
भेजते
बैच ही
हैं.
गजब था वो. बैच ही गजब था वो 2011-15 का वो बैच. एक्चुअली सब बैच अच्छे थे.
फर्स्ट बैच,
शशि
एक
जो
फर्स्ट
भी
बैच.
हाँ, फर्स्ट 12-16 में अभिषेक भट्टाचार्य है और ऋचिक भी था, जुड़ा था मेरे ख्याल से. ऋचिक दिखा था मुझे, ऋचिक सिन्हा. ये लोग सब लोग बहुत अच्छी
Yes, he
जगह
was
पे है.
complaining कि मैडम 10 मिनट का slot क्यों दिया, इतने में हम बात नहीं कर पाएंगे.
Hello.
ऋचिक was complaining
Hello.
कि 10 मिनट का slot is not
Ratna
enough.
Priya and Sipra from CSE department, 12-16 batch. Share your memory.
I think you missed it,
Ratna
right?
Priya and
Yeah,
Sipra.
Shipra, Ratna Priya, come on.
Hello, a very good afternoon to all of you. It is really very privileged to listen you and all. And thank you so much to have all of ones here. And I am having no words to say, what to say. Like, I feel so nostalgic right now. And
Ratna Priya,
thank
if you
so
want to
much,
share
and
some experience,
Yeah,
some
like-
college experience, 1 or 2 event.
Yeah, sure. There are a lot more memories, and I mean, our senior was really great. I mean, Ajay sir, Satyam sir, and again Shashi sir, all was really
Of
great.
course.
And Chipra will tell you a lot more about it. And really, I mean, I'm missing all of them, and I don't know.
First of all, thank you.
But yeah, I'll tell you one thing. Like, I'll tell you one thing. Like, ये बहुत ही अच्छा रहेगा if we will once meet at in the college at least once. So we are expecting that one. Like, I'm not sure that is.
We are planning that very
but
soon.
Yeah, after 1 year or something. Yeah.
Yes, and Director sir has also
Would
suggested
Bohart
thing that even you can organize such type of meeting, and we will be joining it.
Yeah,
if,
sure.
if this
Because मैं
initiative
जब
would be taken
जनवरी में
from
आई
the student side, yes, we appreciate.
yes, जब मैं जनवरी में आई थी तभी मुझे लग रहा था कि we should meet at least once and
हाँ,
मैं
एक होना
share
चाहिए।
करूँगी।
हाँ,
We
एक
were
meet होना
having
चाहिए।
meeting at 11 and we missed it just because I don't want to miss it, you know, मतलब इतने सारे प्रोफेसर्स एंड कॉलेज है जस्ट ऑसम। मतलब अब लगता है कि यार हमें एंजॉय करना चाहिए था, जॉब तो हो ही जाता है, देयर इज नथिंग मोर अबाउट जॉब, यू नो, मतलब just enjoying here. So yeah, Chitra, do you have anything to say?
Yes.
Please go on.
First of all, thank you everyone. मतलब अच्छा लगा
Yes,
एक एलुमनी, मतलब काफी दिनों से we were planning कि सर एक तो स्टार्ट करवाओ, मतलब अच्छा लगता है कि सब एक साथ मतलब अपने शेयर्स करें एक्सपीरियंस कहाँ है सब, मतलब सब तो अपने लाइफ में इतने बिजी हैं, मतलब कॉलेज
बहुत
काफी सब बिजी हैं आजकल अपने लाइफ में जॉब को लेकर, तो इट्स लाइक कि एक तो मीटिंग होनी ही चाहिए। एंड जनवरी में जब भी वेंट टू कॉलेज वी फोर्स सर कि सर एक तो आप मतलब ऑर्गेनाइज करवाओ ही, एंड ड्यू टू करंट सिचुएशन इट वाज वर्चुअल, बट या इट्स वेरी गुड that we connected with
Thank you
everyone.
so much,
Yeah,
Bhaskar sir and Shweta ma'am. Thanks a
yeah.
lot to have us here.
हेलो
कि आपके बैच से और कोई है? हाँ, मुकेश सर, यस सर, प्लीज।
हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन।
यस
Good
सर।
morning, sir. A very good afternoon.
अविनाश धर आप भी कुछ बोलिए।
Morning only.
अविनाश
Yeah,
धर।
please go on.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग।
अविनाश धर।
अविनाश सर, कम ऑन।
अविनाश EC branch ना?
हाँ,
Yeah,
EC
yes,
branch।
yes, sir.
And Avinash, you were always ready with the solutions. मैंने मतलब classes लिया है तो I just come to know that okay, this is Avinash, always ready with the solution. Not only
Yes,
you
yes.
don't come with the problems alone, right? So I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
Yeah,
Avinash
good to see
sir.
all of the faculty members after a long time, and really feeling connected to the root again, because as we all know that the whole scenario, the whole phase is changed now. We all are in this corporate world and looking other people's, and so again coming to this root and watching the faces of faculties, and how lovely it feels when we again hear from our faculties, especially Rohit sir, Sweta ma'am, and all those who spoke today. So it's really good, and expecting to be something some more this kind of things to come again, and we were able to join and again
एक दिन से एक मीटिंग से मजा है, मतलब नहीं होने वाला ना। We need more and more meetings,
Yeah.
more and more such meetings.
Actually.
Okay, so
We are assuring
तुषार,
you for that.
हाँ।
आगे भी होने वाला है।
हाँ हाँ, of course. ऐसे वो ना स्टार्टिंग हो गया तो फिर अब होते ही रहना है इसको। तो तुषार, आपको बहुत देर से मैं देख रही हूँ। तुषार, why don't you share your views? तुषार, please बोलो और बताओ कैसा है after long time.
Yes, ma'am, it's a very long time. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सबको देख के फिर से एक साथ में। स्पेशली रोहित सर को जब देखता हूँ क्रिकेट याद आ जाती है सर।
संजीव कुमार आप क्या कर रहे हो?
यस सर।
संजीव कुमार इसी।
Yes sir, good morning.
Good
morning everyone. Yeah.
Oh, Sanjeev, you have joined ना? Okay.
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am. सर अभी तो हम TCS में हैं, रिसेंटली ज्वाइन किया।
So Sanjeev and Jaikulla are actually sharing the same background. You two, both of you are in the universe, na, as Abhishek has told in at the meeting.
Yes ma'am. Yeah. So why was recently I joined means TCS, and earlier I was selected in IMS from campus placement only, and I was there only, and working from there only I worked for TCS, and then I got selected for TCS recently, and I am working for TCS as of now.
So Sanjeev, you are at Sindri, na? Means you are working. It is of course work from home, na? In the present scenario. So
yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Okay.
Suraj from EC.
Yes.
Yes sir. Good morning.
सूरज तिवारी।
सूरज कब से आपको बोल रही हूँ, प्लीज बोलो, चेहरा दिखाओ। सूरज।
Good morning ma'am.
Good morning.
Yes ma'am.
Oh yes.
Good morning.
Changed. You have changed.
Nobody is turning on their cameras. Please.
मैम
I think I'm the newest one. मुझे पहचानने दो लोगों को।
सारे स्टूडेंट से तो बात होती ही रहती थी, लेकिन सर लोग से नहीं हो पाती थी। आज सबसे मिलकर बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है। लग रहा है जो वहाँ ये कॉलेज में मीटिंग होती है एक बार सारे के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है।
हाँ, तो पेंडेमिक टाइम अगर खत्म होता है तो उसके बाद फिर तो कॉलेज में मिला जाए, है ना?
पेंडेमिक टाइम के बाद ही मैम।
You all can and
Abhishek
college will
Bhattacharya.
organize, help you everything.
परेश झा, you have joined.
ये
Paresh, you have just
भट्टाचार्य,
joined. Now what?
अभिषेक भट्टाचार्य कहाँ गया?
हाँ, कहाँ
स्टार्टिंग
गया?
में बहुत
वाह,
बोल रहा था,
अभिषेक,
गायब हो
come
गया।
on, अभिषेक.
को निकालो।
Abhishek Bhattacharya कैसा है?
I guess
Dio-
Pratibha has also joined. She is
अभिषेक, you
not.
have left at the time of discussion. चलो आ जाओ जल्दी.
Pratibha from CSE. I think
कुछ
she
बोल
will
लो,
join.
टॉपर हो।
Pratibha.
And Bhaskar sir की favorite as always.
Yes, Shweta ma'am, this is Saraswati.
Yeah, I'll introduce myself. Yeah, so basically.
Ma'am, I wanna just
Yes,
tell
Pratibha,
one
please.
thing,
Yes,
please.
So
एक बार तो हमें मिलना है हमें सबसे.
परेश
College premises.
परेश जी
hello everyone.
परेश ने, hello.
Yeah, so I'm from
Pratibha.
2016 batch. Hi Priya,
Yes.
hi Ishka. Hello everyone. So yeah, so first of all, thank you for scheduling this virtual meet. Basically, we were waiting for this from a long time. So even I went to the college. Like every time I come to Bokaro, I usually go to college for meeting everyone. And yes, Bhaskar sir is very close to me. So actually to meet him and other faculty members from CS. And yes, like so it's a great platform. Like we can keep this meeting every 2 months or 3 months at least. Yeah. And yeah, sure, we'll be able to help our freshers. So I have already started this. Like whenever some drive comes in my like currently I'm working Capgemini. So any drive for fresher, then I usually send the links to fill the form and these things. So it will be actually helpful. And yes, like college was great. Like we had a lot of good memories there. And even by like if I compare with other colleges, so the study materials and like means faculties in our college, they are great. Like we had the culture like a school. Like we used to study, we used to give the exams, and it was not like ragging and all time pass things. I am extremely like I can say this. Yes, it is awesome.
Yes, please.
So
Okay.
yeah, it's great. Thank you, everyone.
Yes, Pratibha, what you have told na, that you are planning for the juniors, for the new students to help them to make their career. That is actually one of the motto for today's meet too, right? Because you were the first, you are from the first batch or second batch, but the students who are coming, who are really existing this time, they are actually having you as a mentor, you people as a mentor. So yes, please go ahead, whatever planning you are having. And I request to everybody else, please work.
Yes,
if it is
actually,
possible,
ma'am,
yeah, do something for your juniors.
we have held many freshers as well. There is Aditi from some junior batch. She also got placed in TCS, and actually, I have held her a lot.
Wow, good.
Yeah.
Wow, good. वही तो बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. You are all actually knowing it. So ये कॉलेज अपना सा है सबके लिए. मतलब ये है just the new college. You first batch, second batch. फिर हम लोग भी जो थे, हमारा new पहला job. Like तो वो एक अलग सा bonding तो है ही.
Right.
Yes, actually, ma'am, college doesn't study, but students do. So लोग बोलते थे कि new colleges हैं, कैसा placement रहेगा, blah blah blah. But the thing is that कि अगर आप पे है तो no matter from where you have studied, but you will get a job later on. It doesn't matter from where you have studied. So yeah, we are here.
Was so next, जिन्होंने हमें join किया है, please share करो your views.
मैडम एक्चुअली मैडम
Yes, sir.
मैं भी थोड़ा सा शेयर करना चाहता हूँ कुछ अपने व्यूज इसमें.
Yes, sir.
एक्चुअली मैं जो बताना चाहता हूँ इसमें जो हमारी एक जो रिक्वायरमेंट है उसमें आप लोगों का एक स्ट्रक्चर जैसा कि अपूर्वा मैडम ने बताया, यू हैव टू फॉर्म ए कमिटी ऑल्सो योर ओन एलुमनी के, आपके जो भी एक्स स्टूडेंट हैं तो आपका एक कमिटी इसमें आपके खुद के चेयरमैन, सेक्रेटरी, मेंबर्स, ऐसे एक कमिटी भी बनानी पड़ेगी. दूसरा जो हम लोग इसमें एक आइडिया जो हमारे तरफ से है कि जो भी बहुत सारी हमारे पास प्लेसमेंट कंपनी आती है या फिर बहुत सारी गवर्नमेंट के भी ऑफर्स आते हैं जिसमें दे आर आस्किंग फॉर पास आउट स्टूडेंट्स हु आर हैविंग 3-4 ईयर एक्सपीरियंस। तो आप इस ग्रुप को कंटिन्यू करें, तो इसमें हम लोग करीब डेली हफ्ते में वीकली बेसिस पर वी विल प्रोवाइड यू वेरियस लीड और एडवर्टीजमेंट रिगार्डिंग दैट, so that for if you want to get promotion or anything or change from your organization, I think that ये आपको एक supporting के रूप में रहेगा। And thirdly, which I want that you must be connected with this association, so that you can have a meeting also. A core group member or the interested one can fix a meeting on say every month on suppose any Saturday or which is suitable for you. तो उसमें एक छोटी 10 minutes की meeting can also be planned, because I know most of we are working and you are also working there. So 10 minutes or 20 minutes short meeting can also be organized, and one can share their view for the upliftment of the college, particularly definitely for which we are and you all are have a same have come to a same platform. Okay, thank you.
So just thank you, sir. Yeah, Tushar Shukla, you have message now. Where are you? Come on, speak some words. Utkarsh, Utkarsh, हो ना आप यहाँ पे?
Yeah, ma'am. Hi. Hello. All. Good morning.
Hello. Of course. Good morning.
Hi, Utkarsh.
Yeah. Hi, ma'am. So I've seen lots of senior. I was from 1620 batch. My immediate seniors are also on the screen. Vinas and Sanjeev sir also there, and Bhaskar sir always ready to help. And I've seen Hossain sir also, but in case camera is switch off. So it's a very good idea to form this committee and to follow up with all these. कॉलेज के लिए भी एक बढ़िया सिनेरियो है, हमारे लिए भी एक एंगेजिंग सिनेरियो है, एंड विल हैप्पी टू हेल्प। इस सेगमेंट में काफी लोगों को फायदा भी मिलेगा एंड हमारे कॉलेज भी आगे बढ़ेगी। दिस इज द मेन मोटो आई थिंक ऑल्सो कि कहीं ना कहीं ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि हम लोग कहाँ पे हैं, बस ये होना चाहिए कि कैसे आगे जाना है। इट विल बी गुड। तो
और आप सब कहाँ पे वो हम सबको पता रहे है ना, मतलब अरे ये उत्कर्ष है कहाँ, ही राइट नाउ ही इज हियर, वो हमें बिल्कुल पता होना चाहिए हर वक्त, और ग्रोथ होता रहे सबका साथ में। क्या सो हुसैन सर हैज जॉइंड ऑन योर अर्ज।
हाय सर।
हाय श्वेता मैम, हाउ आर यू?
हेलो जया, कैसे हो बच्चा?
हाय जया।
I think Jaya ma'am's shift is over. She logged out because I follow her.
No, I just got the news that college is getting a meeting, so I asked to okay, send me a link also.
Yeah, no,
I just woke up after my shift.
So Jaya, you should do you experience?
Yes, ma'am.
Any of the memories you like to share?
There are a lot of memories, ma'am. What I can share, I can share everything. I miss college really.
Okay.
So where are you, ma'am? In college or somewhere else?
In the college. See the background.
You also.
Yeah.
I'm in the college. आज program कराना।
सही है।
Okay, I would like to call Varsha Rani. वैष्णवी है, वर्षा रानी है। नो आप लोग
Carry on, ma'am. I'll come in between. After 5 minutes, I'll join.
Okay, Jaya.
Thank you.
I think Smita ma'am is there, right? Smita ma'am?
Smita ma'am, she hasn't joined.
I think so.
Yes, I'm there. Smita
Hi,
ma'am,
how are you?
So anybody from MBA?
Raju sir, I think so.
आकाश आकाश
मैडम सिविल इंजीनियरिंग से कॉल कर
हाँ,
रही है
yes.
फैकल्टी को, सिविल से इलेक्ट्रिकल।
Ma'am is here. Joydeep sir and Rashmi ma'am is here. Rituraj is from civil, na Rituraj?
Engineer Shashi Kumar
Shashi,
from
हाँ.
1418.
Yes, ma'am.
Shashi.
Did you remember me, sir?
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Very sir, especially. Very sir, did you remember me? Actually, my first class I have attended on your class, sir. My first class. Good morning, sir. Good afternoon.
Voice clear नहीं आ रहा है शशि थोड़ा.
Now, ma'am, I'm audible.
Now you're audible. Please go ahead.
Yes, Rohit sir, did you remember me?
रोहित सर के लिए मैसेज.
Rohit sir, engineering mechanics. Yes. And good morning, and Jadip sir. I remember in the college and now. Jadip sir and other professor.
Okay.
You want to say something?
उसकी आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
आवाज कम आ रहा है, थोड़ा कम आ रहा है. बट मैं बता देती हूँ सर, रोहित सर आपको he is remembering that first class, his first day on this college, it was your class. और वो उसको अभी तक याद है.
कौन बोल रहा है?
शशि.
हाँ, उनको याद है.
सर को भी याद है.
ग्राउंड फ्लोर में क्लास होता है.
And I remember, sir, you have teaching me very well. It is engineering mechanics is one of the very basic subjects for our civil engineering, and that so you have still now, sir, it is helping me. Now, sir, I'm doing my MTech from an IT center. So all the concepts of engineering mechanics now help me out.
Okay, Akash, you have on your video, so I request you to please share your views. Akash Singh.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, ma'am, and feeling very happy to meet all our seniors and our faculty. And ये बीच में ऐसा होना चाहिए कि हम एक साथ सब मीटअप कर सकें एंड अपने पास्ट एंड को शेयर कर सके. एक्चुअली मेरी मीटिंग चल रही है, इसलिए थोड़ा सा मैं माइक ऑन नहीं था.
और that's why I'm telling that you all are means you manage your time, so we are actually thankful to you.
हाँ, तो वर्क फ्रॉम होम चल रहा है तो इसलिए मैनेज हो गया. और बाकी पुराने आप लोगों को देख के बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. और कुछ टीचर्स भी अभी है नहीं यहाँ पे, तो उन्हें भी मिस कर रहे हैं. और बाकी जिनसे हमारा कनेक्टिविटी था, जो ज़्यादा क्लोज थे, तो उन्हें हम ऐसा अक्सर हम मिस करते हैं. जैसे मेरे साथ पंकज सर के साथ ज़्यादा अटैचमेंट था, तो उन्हें हमेशा मिस करता रहता हूँ और उनके साथ कांटेक्ट भी होती रहती है. और हमारे ब्रांच टीचर भी. थैंक यू मैम.
ओके, परेश झा, are you there?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hey, good afternoon, Paresh. चलो, अभिषेक भी आ गया. So Paresh, you share your experience. If you want to say something, just utilize this platform.
गुरु गोविंद सिंह सोसाइटी में 1998 से मैं जुड़ा हुआ था. मेरा स्कूलिंग भी वहीं पे हुई थी और कॉलेज भी. मैंने ऐसा था कि कॉलेज को बनते हुए हमने देखा है. हमारे सामने 2011 में कॉलेज हुआ था, बना था.
पहला बैच स्टार्ट हुआ.
हाँ, पहला बैच स्टार्ट हुआ. फिर 2013 में हमारा बैच हम लोग आए तो सही था कॉलेज, सही हमारे लिए तो सही ही था। बहुत चीज सीखने को ही मिला और अभी जिस पोजीशन पे हैं बस वही मैंने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का थैंक्स देते हैं QCI में, क्वालिटी काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया में।
Congratulations.
और इलेक्ट्रिकल के ब्रांच के फैकल्टी मेंबर्स हैं मुकेश सर, आनंद सर, आनंद सर।
हेलो हेलो,
हाँ गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
गुड आफ्टरनून परेश, गुड आफ्टरनून। कैसे हो
सर? बढ़िया है सर, सब बढ़िया है सर।
गुड, वेरी गुड।
तो वही है कि अभी ऑनलाइन मीटिंग ही पे थे तो इसीलिए आप जब बोल रहे थे तो वो आवाज आ रही थी, लेकिन और वीडियो कॉल भी नहीं अभी कर सकते हैं।
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं। चलिए ठीक है, आप मीटिंग अटेंड कीजिए और लोगों को भी। जी ठीक है, ओके
जी सर, थैंक यू सर। थैंक यू मैम।
थैंक यू।
कोमल फ्रॉम CSE। कोमल, सुजाता।
Sujata?
I think she has joined.
ऋतिक,
सुजाता का आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।
हेलो ऋतिक, आवाज आ रही है?
आ रही है। गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Am I audible?
Yes, audible. Both of you are audible actually. Rishik is audible and Sujata is audible. Both of you are audible.
Okay, Rishi, go ahead.
Okay, Rishik, you go ahead. पहले आप
बताओ अपने बारे में, कहाँ हो?
First of all, a very good morning to all of my faculties. Actually, I'm very proud to be a part of GSCC. Okay, actually जिस समय कॉलेज में थे उस समय लगा नहीं था कि इतना कीमती पल होगा, वो बीत गया। बट बहुत कुछ सीखने को भी मिला लाइफ में। एंड आफ्टर दैट 2 years मेरे को बहुत स्ट्रगल करना पड़ा, लाइक प्राइवेट जॉब एंड गवर्नमेंट जॉब। Finally, I got settled in a central government job at Mumbai, and तब से मस्ती चल रहा है बस। Yes, and I am like थोड़ा सोशल सर्विस भी कर रहा हूँ सर एंड मैडम। लाइक अभी पिछले 3 सालों में 3 लोग जो फिजिकली डिसेबल्ड रहते हैं तो उनका एज अ स्क्राइब एग्जाम दे चुके हैं, और तीनों अभी LIC में, यूनियन बैंक और बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में ऐसे क्लर्क काम कर रहे हैं। 2 ब्लाइंड है और एक ब्रेन ट्यूमर है। बस इतना ही लाइफ में, आगे और जॉब के लिए देख रहे हैं सर। एंड मस्ती चल रहा है बस, और क्या।
नीडी को हेल्प कर रहे हो, इससे अच्छा और क्या हो सकता है ना।
यस मैडम, अपना कोशिश यही है कि जहां तक हो सके लोगों की मदद की जाए। मैम, am I audible? घूमने को मैम, am I audible?
Yes, now you are audible.
Because from last years I'm just trying to say something, because I think you people are not able to listen me. That's why I'm just asking that am I audible or not. Sorry to interrupt in between. Hello.
ये ब्रेक हो रहा है वो।
Hello.
Yes, अभिषेक, आवाज आ रही है।
Okay, thank you.
You are audible. Go ahead.
So welcome all of you. First of all, Director Sir, it's the first meet to you, because I have already passed out from 2016, so it's a new face. I am just looking after many of the faces. I know personally Shweta ma'am, Akash, Sumit sir, Richik. Hi, how are you? Master. Great. So many people are there. Divakar sir also there. So many. Bhaskar sir, very good afternoon. It's known. So since Sujata, hi, I know you. Yeah, I have seen you many times in the college. Yeah, thank you so much. So the thing is, it's been a long time. So down the memory lane, we have seen most of the things in the college. Rohit sir, Sumit sir, thank you so much that you have called me and I'm asked for the network connection. Yes, I was suffering badly with the network connection. And I'm seeing you. Yes, Shipra, hi. Nice headphone you are having. Thank you.
So the thing is, we have seen many ups and downs in the colleges from the grassroots. And yes, personally, I have started my career journey from Guru Gobind Singh Public School. So it's been a long time. After that, I got opportunity to study in this college. And yes, the faculty members with whom I have studied, they had mentored and they have guided most of the things until now. Divakar sir is also there. I think he is listening to me. So I can thank, I will thank all of them. Shweta ma'am also, Sudriti ma'am also, unfortunately she has left the college. Anu ma'am. So many persons are there, and sorry to say that if I couldn't take so much names of those persons, I apologize for the same. So thank you so much for guiding us to the juniors, to the peers, and whosoever the candidates who have joined this college, and they have joined for their personal prospective growth and for the career growth and skill growth. So thank you so much. So many people have joined, so I couldn't take the name. The thing is that, hi Jaya, how are you? Recently you have joined. So I would like to suggest that, see, down the lane, many things has happened in the college, and regarding the career placement, regarding the personal growth, I would add something like that. If we focus on the enhance of the technicalities of the respective branches, likewise, if we are coordinating with some of the peers in the office also, in the juniors also who are recently joining to the companies, we are asking there what is the main benefit you have taken from the college, what are the main things that you have seen from the college. They are telling us, see, if we can look after the technicalities point of view, if we enhance the more technical ideas, if we bring out the more technical ideas in the college, in the respective branches. I'm not telling about the respective branch or something kind of, in all branch I'm just taking off. So we can do more and more. And one of the most focused thing is that if the personal candidate who is studying presently in that college will focus on oneself development, like a skill development, like a behavioral development, like a personal growth. Shweta ma'am can explain better. She knows all the things and all that. I'm just keeping the views of, so that the student must think that what they want in their life after 4 years. Study is different thing, getting a job is different thing, but the thing is that if we are having an aim in future, and if we focus on the core growth, because if we have a core growth, ultimately we will succeed in each and every part. The obstacles which are coming in our path, we can really overcome that. So I would request all the faculty members, all the dignities, all the whosoever present over here, you are doing a very great job over there, because most of the things which we couldn't get. Likewise, if we take examples for the skill development, personality development, like a workshop technology, which is a prior core thing for each and every candidate who is so studying in the core branch or whatever the branches they have opted for. So they are doing their hard work. Students should cooperate with the faculties, they should cooperate with the juniors, and they should also cooperate with the seniors. Bring out the ideas from the aside ones, bring out the ideas from the different parts of the world, so that we can conquer all those things and we can put all those things in the college. And ultimately, yes, we will get all those things which we have in mind, that for the growth and upliftment of the college. Because if we compare our college to all others college in different states also, in our states also, fine, we are having a very good college, we are having a very progressive growth in the Jharkhand and all that. Down the lane from the 5 years we are just having. Now we have to compete outside of that. Outside of that. So whosoever the alumni who had recently passed out, like 2020, they have passed out, and they are on the candidates who are going to pass out in 2021. I would urge them that whatever the ideas, because you are just the fresh ups, which you know that you have came out from that genre, you know better than the college which we had left in 2016. Most of the things we don't know about the real facts and all. So bring out them, help your peers, help your juniors, be in contact with us also, so that we can put idea in collaboration with the faculties, and we should work upon. And ultimately, yes, our college one day will become a very great college of our state, and we should feel proud that yes, this GGSTC society we have left over, and yes, and this is the scenario from the last 10 years or 15 years or 20 years of ahead. We will see that college, okay, fine. Yeah, we have achieved something, and we are very grateful that we have done something. Yes, being an alumni of 2016, I also wish that we will, and we will also plan to uplift the college, and we will think of many more ideas regarding the job placements, which is the main focus core of many of the juniors. If you have gone through the many of the messages and that what will we get in this scenario, what we will think of this scenario, that what are the placements because we have lost that opportunity to grab. See, losing the opportunity is not the big deal. Every moment of life, every path, what I have experienced from the last 4 years or 5 years, because I'm also working in a core company. So I have seen many obstacles, many chances you will be getting. So you have to take it as a dart. You have to throw your focus point, at which point you have to grab it. That's the whole focus. Taking a job is a priority nowadays, because we are facing lots of problem in this corona from the last 2 years. Many of the persons have lost their jobs. We can feel the pain that what they have suffered, and we are also overwhelmed that we have the job and we are doing whichever the companies we are working, that we should be praised that okay fine, we are working. But if our peers, if our juniors is not getting job, and whatever some issues are there, motivate them, try to get them engaged in some of the things, try to make them more skill developed. Because in today's world, if you will go somewhere else in any part of the country or any part of the organization, first of all, they will ask that what the skill set you are having. They will never ask that what chapter you have learned, that what you know about that subject, whether it's a mechanical, it's a electrical, it's a CSE branch, it's an MBA branch, whatever the things, man, the skill set should be there. That
yes, Abhishek, you are right. Actually, yes, that's what this this platform can be used by the students, by the junior students, right? Where they can actually meet with you, and they can have the real ideas, right? Means in the school time, in the college time, they are the other thing is going on in their mind, right? It's the exams and mid-semester like of things, but what really required to get at the job or to be satisfied with the job, it's actually you people, you are already in the job. So
ma'am, see, the thing is that, ma'am, the thing is that this zone of getting job is totally diversified. If I will say something, when I was truly, because I have also, just let me close the door because someone is crying over there. Yeah, because there are small children in my building, so they are just.
Apurva ma'am, you're audible, Apurva ma'am. I request Apurva ma'am.
Yes. So ma'am, I just wanted to tell, because
hello,
see, when I was studying. Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, you're audible.
Yes.
Okay.
So I just take. I will just tell about myself, because when we are studying, Akash is also there. He is also witnessing the same thing. Because when we are studying, we are the 2016 pass out. We are also the same thing. That okay, which job we will do? If is marks matter the most, if we getting a job or not, that if I don't know what's the market scenario. I still remember Shweta ma'am, I think you remember Kunal sir was there, HOD of MBA at that time. Once he had said, I would like to share his views, because he's not there. He's I think he's some other state, or he's working in some other organization. He's working. Once he had said, and I still remember his words, I will just share with all of you that once he said कि बेटा आप जो यहाँ पे कर रहे हो ना, आप कर लो यहाँ पे, लेकिन जिस दिन जिंदगी में आप जब बाहर निकलोगे ना यहाँ से, तो जिंदगी आपसे पूछेगी कि आप क्या करना चाहते हो, आप क्या करोगे। यहाँ आपको जो करना है आप कर लो, क्योंकि बाद में आपको कोई पूछने वाला नहीं रहेगा। आपको मार्केट में पूछा जाए कि आप करना क्या चाहते हो, कि आप सस्टेन करने के लिए, सर्वाइव करने के लिए क्या करना चाहते हो। तो दैट ऑलवेज क्लिक इन द माइंड, एंड दैट शुड बी क्लिक to each and everyone who are juniors, who are just searching more and more better opportunities, who are searching for the initiatives and all that, ki just growth, have skill developed, because most of the things you have to make one skill that what you are having, so that you can boost up yourself, you can nourish yourself on all those things. So in my point of view, these are the things which I would like to set up, and all those things in that, because if we are clear with the mind, if we are clear with the things, because the most of the things people are thinking that if I am getting admission in the college, which the with the scenario which I have heard from most of the faculties, because whenever I come to my hometown, I surely visit to the college also. Shweta ma'am knows better. So what I think, what I heard, what I hear, most of the students are telling that if I
Thank
get
you so much, Abhishek. Thank you so much.
if I get, yes.
Abhishek, we have see, you have a lot of things to discuss, so thank you so much.
Yes,
For ideas के साथ आने के लिए, you always you are very lively always, right? So here I would like to say Joydeep sir or Rashmi ma'am from Civil Department. Ma'am and sir. Yes sir, Joydeep sir, Civil Department से sir कुछ
हेलो मैम,
कुछ शेयर करना चाहते हैं सर तो? If you have anything to share, yes sir.
It's very long, मतलब हमको भी यहाँ काम करते almost 5 years हो गए हैं. Before to that, मैं यहाँ हर एक बैच को पास आउट होते हुए देखा हूँ. 2015 to 2000 last batch.
Yes.
So it's been a very nice experience for all of the students. They give us so much respect. We are very much connected with the students as well.
Okay, ठीक है सर. So I think the time has passed the limit. Means this program has set for 1 hour, but as we are having, yes sir, please sir.
Last one, Sujata.
Sujata, please, हाँ Sujata.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
पूरा भीगा हुआ था.
I forgot, ma'am. This call is scheduled on 2nd June. I thought it was on 4th June, so I'm not prepared for this. So
no preparation is actually required. You just say whatever comes in your mind.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you so much, Bhaskar sir, and all. Kind of. We are part of Guru Gobind College, and yes, means our faculty means these guys. My faculty is.
Sound चला जा रहा है बीच में. I don't know whether I am feeling or yes.
Yeah.
No, continue.
Ma'am, and all professors are part of this college. It's great. And yes, I'm glad that I'm part of the Govind Singh group. So this is really kind. My professor always guide me. We set the path for you. You have to experience all this struggling. Govind Singh means any of the college learn and how to survive in this life struggle. And yes, I'm also a part of the company, and they will also just.
Your sound is not coming properly.
Yes, your voice is not coming properly.
Hi everyone.
Okay, yes. Okay, yes, you share your views.
You muted your call or what?
I really don't know what happens to my mic. Like, yes, I'm just to having me on this call and giving me the spotlight to speak up with this college. Thank you so much, ma'am, and thank you so much and all faculty of the Govind Singh College. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So सर एक मैसेज आया होगा भास्कर सर, आप देख रहे होंगे. तो बर्नवाल सर को लोग सुनना चाहते हैं, मुकेश सर को और भास्कर सर को भी. दो वर्ड आप लोग प्लीज बोल दो, अच्छा लगेगा.
टाइम हुआ हम लोग को निकलने का.
12:30 भी नहीं हुआ.
हेलो.
हेलो.
हाँ बोलिए. क्या सुन रहे हैं? कैसे हैं आप लोग? बाल साफ हो गया कोरोना की वजह से. दादी एक्सपायर कर गई.
हाय सर, कैसे हैं सर?
बहुत अच्छे. आप लोग कैसे हैं?
सब बढ़िया है सर.
बढ़िया है.
गुड.
कभी कॉल भी नहीं करते हो, कभी मैसेज भी नहीं करते हो जी. सबका नंबर है मेरे पास, बट सब
बहुत बिजी हो गए आप लोग. हाँ
तो मैम एक्चुअली लास्ट फोन जो था वो खो गया, तो न्यू फोन लिया तो उसमें नंबर बहुत कम है।
हाँ, okay. और भास्कर
चलो
सर पे
अच्छा है।
मुस्कुराएंगे आप?
हेलो।
सर आवाज नहीं आ रही है लगता है।
यस भास्कर
हाँ
सर, आप
सर,
भी
हाँ
कुछ
हेलो।
बोलिए।
यस सर।
हाँ, ये सब
इसके बाद
हमारे ही
इलेक्ट्रिकल
बच्चे
के
हैं, जया
टीचर्स
है, सुजाता है।
नहीं है। सर कुछ तो बोलिए, हम लोग कब से वेट कर रहे हैं आपसे कुछ सुनने का।
क्या सुनना है, बोलो।
सर काफी टाइम हो गया आपका गाइडेंस को, सो एक बार फिर से आपका गाइडेंस
अरे पहले भी गाइडेंस था, आज भी और आगे भी रहेगा, कहीं पे भी रहेंगे तो जरूर रहेगा।
तो ये समय है आप लोगों के लिए, स्टूडेंट्स के लिए समय है। आप लोग ज्यादा से ज्यादा फ्लोरिश करो, कॉलेज को याद रखो, हम लोग को इस तरह से याद रखो, स्टूडेंट्स को मौका दो बस। जयकुला, डू यू हैव समथिंग टू से? या इससे एंड करते हैं जयकुला की बात से। आमिर भी दिख रहा है, आमिर सोहेल भी थे, राज्य लक्ष्मी है। अगर आप लोग बोलना चाहो तो प्लीज, एंड वी हैव कम टू द एंड ऑफ द सेशन।
ईशी निकिता द्विवेदी, आप भी कुछ बोलिए।
इलेक्ट्रिकल के
कहाँ
सर
हैं आप?
हमारे यूकेडी सर हैं क्या? यूकेडी सर, पंकज सर, नीरज सर, आप लोग कहाँ हैं सर?
ईसी ब्रांच निकिता द्विवेदी।
Okay. Okay, so the time has been exceeded. So I request Dayasankar Divakar sir to kindly propose the vote of thanks. और हम लोग informally तो meet करते ही रहेंगे, okay? So,
हेलो, am I
हाँ sir,
audible,
yes
ma'am?
sir, yes sir,
हेलो,
yes sir, you are audible sir.
हेलो, am I
Hello,
audible,
yes sir,
ma'am?
yes sir, you are audible sir.
Yeah, Divakar sir, we can hear you. Go ahead.
Very good afternoon to Honorable
Yes,
President
yes,
sir,
sir.
Secretary sir, Director sir, my colleagues and my most beloved alumni. Very good afternoon to all. Okay, ma'am. It's my privilege
Yes, sir.
to propose a vote of thanks of this occasion of association meeting in our college. At first, I would like to thank our director sir, who allowed me to speak on this auspicious occasion, and it is a matter of honor for me. I would like to thank our president sir to suggest rejoining the college legends and stakeholders. I would like to thank especially to our secretary sir to give him encouragement to the alumni team to rejoin the pass out legend of our college. On behalf of our college and entire management group here, I am very heartily grateful to all the speakers for sharing their graceful words with us in today's meeting. I am very thankful to entire participants, renowned identity from academic, industries, and other areas. I thank our faculty member to their leading supervision and inspiration at every point of the time in the college. Thanks to all the people who either directly or indirectly for attending the meeting. Thank you, very, very thank you.
Thank you so much, Divakar sir. So finally, we have come to the end of today's session, and it is really very interactive and interesting session. But because of course, time moderation, we need to end here, and we hope to have such meetings recent, right, in the recent time. So thank you once again to all of you. So here we end the meeting.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Please do
Thank you
share
so
the
much.
videos.
Thank you so much to all of the
Thank you to everyone. Thank you for
Thank you.
everyone joining us.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye.
Thank you, everyone. Great to hear you all.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Bye bye. Okay. Take care. Take care. Best wishes. Best wishes to all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
ma'am.
क्या अभिषेक घंटा चलेगा पूरा घंटा से पूरा बोलेगा